Hello friends, I'm Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you to a video tutorial series on STAAD.Pro. So before going to the software, let us go through some basics. So what does STAAD mean? STAAD stands for Structure Analysis and Design Program. So as the name suggests, we can do the structural analysis and design using this software. So what is structural analysis? Let's suppose some external forces act on a building. Now due to those external forces, some internal forces are generated in the individual members. So this generation of these internal forces due to the application of the external forces is called analysis. Now what are the external forces? The external forces can be for a building, dead load, live load, seismic load, wind load, combination loads, etc. Now due to these external forces, some internal forces generate like shear force, bending moment, axial force, torsion. Now finding out the values of these internal forces on the application of the external forces is known as analysis. Now moving on, what is design? Now from the analysis part, we have found out how much internal forces is acting on all individual members. Now for that, what should be the size of the member and how much amount of reinforcement we have to provide so that our structure, or in this case an RCC building, can resist those internal forces. So the process of finding out the size of the member and the reinforcement details in case of an RCC structure is known as the design. So let me tell you this by an example. Suppose some external forces are acting on a building. For that, we find out the internal forces which can be acting on a particular member, suppose a beam. Now for those internal forces, what will be the size of the beam? What will be the reinforcement which we will use in the beam? That part is called the design. So friends, that's all for today. In the upcoming videos, we'll show how to perform the structural analysis and design of a G+1 building in STAAD. So stay tuned to our channel and do share with your friends. Bye bye.